Hi there! In this video, we'll show you how to easily customize your item using answer piping feature. This feature allows us to refer to users' previous answers in the following questions and in the outcomes that users receive. In this market research survey example, we will show how to use this feature. In the first question, we ask our users for their name. We want to refer to their name in the next question. To use the answer piping feature, we need to choose the spot where we want to refer to the user's answer. We type the @ symbol and select the question we want to refer to. The same process applies for the next questions. Again, we choose a spot, type the @ symbol, and select which answer we want to refer to from the list of questions that we have already asked. We can also refer to users' answers in the closings they receive. The rule is the same. We just type the @ symbol and choose the question we want to refer to. Let's publish the changes and see how it looks for our users. We enter the first name and we can see that we are referring to the name in this question. In this question, we also see our reference to the previous one. And in our closing, we also refer to user's name. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy creating your items with Opinion Stage.